Joy that must begin. Let's weave the magic thread by thread, red and green from toe to head. With every garland, twist and turn, Christmas magic we will earn. Paper chains we cut and glue, a festive DIY. Stars we hang above the door to light the winter sky. Gingerbread men marching on a journey sweet and grand. Every tiny detail planned with loving hands. Boxes from the attic brought treasures from the past. Memories are made anew with things that always last. Sparkling bows and ribbons tied around each gift we share. Decorating every inch to show how much we care. Santa hats and snowy hats on dolls and teddy bears. Spread the joy that Christmas brings with laughter in the air. Homemade crafts and family laughs, traditions made anew. Decorations come alive, love from me and you. Paper chains we cut and glue, a festive DIY. Stars we hang above the door to light the winter sky. Paper chains we cut and glue, a festive DIY. Stars we hang above the door to light the winter sky. 'Cause with every garland, twist and turn, Christmas magic we will earn. Paper chains we cut and glue, a festive DIY. Stars we hang above the door to light the winter sky. Gingerbread men marching on a journey sweet and grand. Every tiny detail planned with loving hands. Boxes from the attic brought treasures from the past. Memories are made anew with things that always last. Sparkling bows and ribbons tied around each gift we share. Decorating every inch to show